Did you know there is a lizard that can literally walk on water? Meet the basilisk lizard, also known as the Jesus Christ lizard. When threatened by a predator, this amazing reptile can sprint across the surface of a pond or river at speeds of 5 feet per second. They use their specially fringed feet to trap air bubbles, creating a cushion that keeps them from sinking. It's not magic, it's physics. Once they slow down, they drop into the water and swim like normal lizards. Follow for more incredible animal superpower facts.